You are happy today. You're angry tomorrow. And you're very frustrated the next day. Hallelujah. And you walk around, coming to intercede for a church that God has set apart for himself. To intercede. Are we too in the presence of God? To the Holy of Holies. You know, I always say this, sometimes I even wish where priest to get to in the Holy of Holies. Nobody could enter the Holy of Holies with baggage. Sometimes I wish we could go back. With baggage in the Holy of Holies. Now, progress, spiritually speaking, identify the true role that a woman should be playing in the church is the baggage that we carry. And yonke into oyivukayo uzoyibona ngale ntshumayelo